Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and securing the circuit, safety first. Once done, recover refrigerant with a certified recovery unit so you can legally open the system. Make sure to document and label every electrical connector and refrigerant line before loosening anything. Photos save time. Next, remove cabinet panels and isolate the compressor area. Now that the system is depressurized and visible, prepare tools and a clean workspace so you can begin unbolting the compressor without surprises. You'll disconnect the electrical harness and refrigerant lines carefully, capping ports to prevent contamination. Once done, drain or measure the existing oil and note type and volume so you match the new compressor. Oil compatibility matters for lubrication and POE/VS mineral differences. Remove mounting bolts while supporting the unit's weight and extract the compressor. Before installing new hardware, compare gaskets, electrical terminals, and mounting holes. Make any needed bracket or line adaptations to ensure proper alignment and sealing. You install the new compressor, torque mounting bolts to spec, and reconnect electrical leads and refrigerant lines using new gaskets and clean fittings. Once done, pull a deep vacuum to roughly 500 microns and do a hold test. Make sure leaks aren't present before charging. After a successful vacuum, charge refrigerant to manufacturer specifications and observe system pressures, superheat, and subcooling. If the compressor won't start or pressures are off, check electrical supply, contactor, and for internal valve restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.